I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Carrier Global Corporation has agreed to sell its Chubb fire and security business to API Group for US $3.1 billion. Chubb has 13,000 employees globally and has had a presence in Australia for 100 years. ABB has signed a definitive agreement to divest its mechanical power transmission division, which is known as Dodge, to RBC Bearings Corporation, Incorporated, for US $2.9 billion in cash. Dodge has been producing mounted bearings, enclosed gearing and power transmission components for more than 140 years. Locally, the Grosvenor Engineering Group has set up shop in New Zealand to service its Asia-Pacific client base. Back in the US, and Lennox International has recorded record revenue of US $1.24 billion. This is a 32% increase on the previous year. The extraordinary results showed strong growth across all three of its business segments. Japanese air conditioning giant Daikin Industries has become a shareholder in the world's largest producer of graphene nanotubes. The company is known as OCSIAI. Together, the companies are developing high-performance materials and plan to establish new markets. OCSIAI currently has a market value of US $2 billion. The Building Engineering Services Association has published a good practice guide for indoor air quality. It is designed to help building managers and building owners interpret IAQ data and turn it into useful strategies for improving the indoor environment. It sets out target limits for a range of airborne contaminants in a variety of indoor spaces. Now over to product news, and BITZER has added models with IP55 and IP66 enclosure classes to its range of Varipack frequency inverters. They can be mounted in a switch cabinet or outside the cabinet thanks to the higher enclosure class. Well, that's it for our headlines this week. This week's headlines were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.